Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to discuss the common names of the groups. Okay, some of the groups whose common names are quite common in IUPAC nomenclature. So this will also be an introduction to nomenclature. So let us go ahead and learn how these groups are formed and how do we name them commonly. Let us begin by understanding the formation and naming of alkyl groups. An alkyl group is formed when we remove a hydrogen atom from an alkane. Okay, and corresponding to the naming, the "ane" suffix of alkane is changed to "yl" suffix to derive its name from that particular alkane. For example, CH4 is the first member of alkane, and as per IUPAC its name is methane. So when we remove one hydrogen from methane, it will give us a group CH3, and one valency of the carbon will become free. Okay, and then this valency will be used by methyl group in order to be connected to some parent chain. So the name of this group will change from methane to methyl. Okay, so similarly, if we have to remove a hydrogen atom from ethane molecule, then we will get this particular group. One valency of carbon is free right here, and this group has been derived from ethane, so it will be named as ethyl. Okay, now coming to the propane, third member of alkane family, we can derive the respective alkyl group by removing a hydrogen atom. But here we have two options to remove hydrogen atom from. Let me mark the carbon atoms as A, B and C for your reference. Now if we remove hydrogen atom from carbon number A and carbon number C, it will result in same group. However, if we remove hydrogen from carbon number B, then it will result in a different group. So let me complete the removal of hydrogen atom, and now you can clearly see that these particular groups are different. Right? In this particular alkyl group, we have removed hydrogen atom from carbon marked as B. Okay, and from here we use some more elaborate ways of naming them. When hydrogen atom is removed from terminal carbon, we simply name it as normal propyl. Okay, normal alkyl, talking in general terms. Here three carbon chains are there, so normal propyl. And if we have removed hydrogen atom from the middle carbon in propane, then we call this group as isopropyl. Alright, so please start taking notes of this respective prefixes which are used very frequently in IUPAC nomenclature as well. Okay, here we have been introduced to our first group, that is iso group, isopropyl. Alright, so let us move ahead and see some of these more groups. Let us take this discussion forward by taking the next member of alkane family, that is butane. In butane, there are 4 carbon atoms linked together by single bonds. Now, there is yet another possibility in which these 4 carbons along with the 10 hydrogen can be arranged. so that we will get yet another structure of butane. So you can actually pause the video right here and look for that particular possibility by yourself. So here we go. This is yet another carbon chain of 4 units in which the molecule of butane can be found. Okay, so let me mark them as 1 and 2 for our future references. First of all, we will discuss the possible alkyl groups from structure number 1 and then we will proceed to structure number 2. Once again, let me mark the carbon atom as A, B, C and D, and you can yourself decide from here that removing hydrogen from which of these carbons are going to give us same structure or similar structure and different structure. So, removing hydrogen atom either from carbon number A or D is going to give us same structure actually, isn't it? And removing hydrogen atom from B or C is going to give us again same structure. However, both these structures are different between them. Okay, so we have these two possibilities of alkyl groups derived from a carbon chain of 4 unit length connected in a straight chain. Okay, and if we discuss same thing for the structure number 2, then we will get the following alkyl groups. Removing hydrogen atom from one of the terminal carbon will give us one structure, and removing hydrogen from the middle carbon right here will give us another structure. So all these 4 alkyl groups are very common, and so we will name them according to their common name. The first structure that we got here is called as normal butyl. Okay, and the second structure derived from the straight chain of 4 carbon unit length is called secondary butyl. The third structure that we derived from the structure number 2 is called as isobutyl group, and the final structure right here is called as tertiary butyl. Okay, so you can yourself practice once again drawing all the possible structures from butane molecule, and you will get familiar with these common names. If we take the next member of alkane family, that is C5H12, we can again start and draw all the possible structures in which these 5 carbons and 12 hydrogens can arrange themselves. For this discussion, we are taking only one structure which will be a new structure, and it has got its own common name. When the 3 carbons are connected in a straight chain and 2 other carbons are connected as substituents, so one carbon is surrounded by 4 carbon around itself, or to specifically speaking 4 methyl group. Okay, so removing hydrogen from any of these carbon will result in a new alkyl group, and this group is called as neopentyl. Okay, and commonly this particular alkane is called as neopentane. So in this video we just discussed the common names of some of the groups that are quite common, and their common name is actually used in the IUPAC nomenclature. In the upcoming video we will be seeing the IUPAC rules to name further alkanes. Okay, and in that particular video we will also learn how to use IUPAC rules in order to name these particular alkyl groups. So along with common names, you will also learn the IUPAC rules to name these alkyl groups. So please watch that video also. This will complete your learning of IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.